Right, looks like we got some new toys. Limitless just came out. The boy Punzi. Leanna's probably gonna videotape, right, Leanna? Yeah. Okay. There's a couple other cars we got going on, but this is probably gonna replace this hard as hell to drive junk. So yeah, I don't know. All right, let's see what we got in the box.
All right, so we got the Super Ultimate Edition.
Super Ultimate Edition. This is you're saying this is actual size. I guess we're seeing right now. It's kind of already been opened because we have all the goodies that we're putting in it inside here. It looks like. So, is the motor put in? Probably this TP motor, a couple batteries. So you see, there's a manual, which should read it, but probably don't need to read it.
It ain't even no reading, it's just pictures.
Yeah, so what about that?
It's like a cartoon book.
All right, what do we have here? The 12S ESC. Let's see how big this monster ESC is. Yeah, this ESC is retarded. Oh my god. Look at the size of this ESC.
Is it usually that big?
No. Here's a Castle. This is an 8S, right? This is a Castle 8S. This is the 12S ESC that's going into this thing. It's retarded. Anyway, so that's that. What we got here. This is a 1/8 scale motor. We're probably not going to use this motor. Maybe at first.
Maybe.
We'll see. But
we're gonna do this in stages.
yeah, might be this. We might get a bigger motor.
I got a float S motor coming. It just takes too long to get it.
Extra parts. Looks like. I'm not sure what these are.
Parts for the wing back
Extra
there.
wing parts, I guess. Yeah.
Wow, that's.
And these are the tires that come with it. So these are Hoons, which you should be running, but you've heard that they tear apart in 2 seconds. So we already ordered the foams. Here it is.
Wow, that is big.
Huge, right? All right.
Wait, excuse me.
Look at this bad boy. So straight out the box, nothing put on it yet. Let's see what we got under the hood. Sounds like he might have put something on it already. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got some batteries in here. We
Just
got
doing
some
test fits.
Yeah, test fitting stuff in here already. So yeah, that's basically it. You see?
Put the servo on there.
Servo in there already. What size servo is that?
On the 412 ounces.
Okay. Yeah, so we have these, which these are 4S batteries?
Right,
2 4S, so it's 12S in there sitting. So,
8.
oh, sorry, 8S, I'm sorry. So 2 4S, so 8S in there right now. It's pretty cool. And this is a Castle ESC that we had already set up with the kill mode cap packs on it already. It's 8S ESC, so we might run that first. We're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, there it is. It's pretty sick. This shit's sick. And there's the bottom.
I love the way it looks, man.
Damn.
Shit's just sexy.
Look at that. Look at that channel. So this is not a regular flat plate, regular style chassis. This chassis actually is, it looks like it's stamped probably. Stamped aluminum and then machined. So I'm not sure if the channels are actually for aerodynamics or just for clearance or what, but
Look at the hole back here.
Sick, man.
That they made hole here so the air can come back out the back of it so it don't get stuck.
Let's turn it around so you can see the back here. Oh yeah. So the air comes right through this. So that's an air channel.
So
It's pretty sick.
And then they gave you the pieces to fill up the air channel with whatever you so decide.
Oh.
So that if you wanted to block it off, we wanted a little less air.
So okay, so I get it. So these are to so you can tune the flow of air coming through the channel. That's crazy.
Right.
So that's what
That's
these are.
innovative.
So you can tune the airflow going through or coming out of the back. So I guess that has something to do with aerodynamics. There's actually a fin on here. That's kind of
I
cool.
think it goes inside here though. I'm pretty sure this comes out.
Think so?
Yeah, I think this whole piece comes off, and then you replace it with.
But I would think the
that.
fin would go here.
Right, it would go. It would go there like that.
Yeah, so that's an
Correct.
additional fin instead of an air hole.
Or you can close it up.
Or you can close it up. Or I guess they gave you another thing. You can put your own, I guess, own style fin into there. That's pretty cool.
And this one looked like a drive shaft.
Oh, it makes it look like a diff, like a rear diff.
Right.
So I guess that's if you want to look more scale looking, you put this on the rear. It looks like a diff. That's pretty cool. But yeah, so that's it. I guess I'll come back with another video when we get this thing running. Yeah, we get it set up and ready to go.
I think we're gonna start off small and then work our way up.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Cause the motor ain't even here yet.
Yeah. So all right, that's it. Limitless. See, throw the body back on. This body is kind of sick though.
It's a matte, but it's like metallic.
Yeah, I like this.
I don't know what that is.
This is awesome.
That's what that part is.
So I guess this slides in first. Yeah, that's it. Well, obviously when all the wires sticking out, but yeah. But yeah, man, that's it. Looks like we got one in our possession, so we can start checking it out. All right.
To the
Back.
max.
Yeah.
Limitless.